Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your health. Today in English class we are going to learn lesson number 2, the story from the life of an aquarium. This is an amazing story. I hope you liked it and learned it very well. These are all the main characters of the story. This story is from the aquarium where all the fish were living happily until another fish was got in. Let's have a look on the story. Once there lived a boy who had a big aquarium in his room. He had every kind of fish in the aquarium. All the fish lived together happily, but one day boy put a new fish in the aquarium. The new fish was very beautiful and unusual. Her silvery fins sparkled with many different colors. Her body was an amazing vivid scarlet. When the new fish got into the aquarium, it called out loudly, "Hey everyone who lives in this old box, come out and meet your queen." She called herself a queen. At that moment, all the fish were shocked. At first, all the fish just peeked out, wide-eyed at a strange newcomer and didn't come out from their hiding places among the water plants. Finally, one little crab crawled out and asked timidly, "Excuse me, why did you call yourself our queen? We have never had a queen before." Oh, this story is going to be amazing. The new fish ordered, "Now that I have come, everything must change. And there will be new rules. Call everyone to come out at once." Nobody had ever given such orders to kind-hearted and inoffensive little crab. He got very frightened, and the queen fish behavior frightened the other fish too. But all came out to surround the queen fish. And from that moment, life in the aquarium changed. The queen fish was in charge and divided the aquarium into two parts. The biggest part where plants grew thickest and comfortable shells to rest on, queen fish assigned to herself, and the smaller section was assigned to the other fish. If one of the fish accidentally swim into queen fish territory, she would get terribly angry. All aquarium itself would shudder and quake. None of them dared to swim up to the foot until the queen fish had eaten her fill. The rest of them got what little she left. For several days they lived like this. Eventually, the boy noticed that his fish were not looking so well and seemed a bit thinner. He studied them very closely. Before this, aquarium was alive with happy fish darting to and fro, dancing in circles and playing together. Now, none of them were swimming about. They were huddled in one section of the aquarium, ignoring their food and glancing around with anxious eyes. The boy saw only one fish seemed content and enjoying herself, and that was queen fish. The boy thought worriedly, "Probably my fish have got some disease and new fish has not got it yet." He decided to put queen fish into a jar. And one day, queen fish found herself into a jar. Very pity. All the fish sighed with relief and became happy when their tormentor was taken away. The boy hurried off to the pet shop. He bought fish food that was rich with vitamins, nutrients, and fights with terrible infection. Boy put the fish jar on the windowsill opposite of the aquarium. But she was so proud. She turned her scarlet back on them and proudly looked the other way. One day, when nobody was at home, the family's pet cat crept up to the queen fish jar. He had been watching her for a long time, ever since the boy put fish into an aquarium. Family got the cat plenty of food to eat, but the queen fish was so attractive and unusual that the cat couldn't put her out of its mind. When the queen fish was sleeping, the cat was about to stick his paws into her jar. Something astonished happened here. All the fish in the aquarium had been watching the cat intently. Most of the fish were happy to look awful punishment to fish. Only kind little crab shed a tear. He was so afraid for the queenfish. Finally, he cried out, "Why don't we help her? After all, she is a fish too." The other fish just laughed at the little crab and kept on watching. The kind little crab starting to bang on the glass wall of the aquarium with his claw, hoping at least to warn the queenfish about danger, but she was sound asleep. The terrible cat's paw was just inches away from her when the little crab threw himself against the glass wall all his might. The old aquarium shook so hard and rang so loud that for a moment none of fish could hear a thing. The cat was so frightened by the noise that he took off at full tilt. The ringing crash also woke up the scarlet fish. She shivered in horror as the cat fled away. That evening, when the boy was giving food to his fish, he noticed that they were looking better. He decided to put the queen fish back into aquarium as so she wouldn't get bored. At first, all fish were horrified and only little crab was calm as he gave queen fish welcoming smile. Scarlet fish whispered very softly as she realized her fault. "I missed you so much, my fish friends. Please let me live together with you in your wonderful aquarium, the very best home for the fish in the entire world." From that moment, the old aquarium glowed with happiness when it heard such words of praise. These are the difficult words. You must learn it. Inshallah, they will help you to understand the lesson. The words are unusual, silvery, sparkled, vivid, scarlet, crawled out, timidly, inoffensive, frightened, accidentally, shudder, quick, eventually, darting to and fro, huddled, anxious. Content, probably, sighed with relief, tormentor, hurried off, terrible, stick, pass, tently, crept, bang, claw, hoping, sound asleep, shivered, horror, fled away, horrified, whispered, glowed. So students, what have you learned from this story? Whatever Allah has given us, say Alhamdulillah every time. Don't be proud, it is not a good thing. Most of the people like queenfish praise their beauty and wealth, but we will not be like one of them, inshallah. Allah Hafiz students.